Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. Ready to embark on an exciting journey through the Spanish language? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to expressing I'm looking for something in Spanish or I'm looking for someone in Spanish. Imagine navigating through bustling markets or finding that hidden gem of a cafe. With today's lesson, you'll be asking the locals like a true explorer. But hold up, there's even more in store for you. If you're tuning in for the first time and you are passionate about discovering new languages, embracing different cultures, and enjoying every step of the learning journey, then you've found your tribe. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I got a treasure trove of language tips, cultural insights, and pure fun lined up for you. So are you ready? Let's gear up to transform you into a language adventurer in the captivating world of Spanish. Empecemos! Today's video is entitled, How to Say I'm Looking for Something or for Someone in Spanish. And by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. By subscribing to my channel, you make it possible for me to continue producing videos for you. Okay, amigos, let us begin. Estoy buscando. I'm looking for. Estoy buscando. Estoy buscando. Repeat after me. Estoy buscando. Excellent. That means I'm looking for. Estoy buscando. If you want to say, I'm just looking for someone, you will have to say, Estoy buscando a alguien. Estoy buscando a alguien. We tend to join a alguien together. Estoy buscando a alguien. Estoy buscando a alguien. I'm just looking for someone. If you want to say, I'm just looking for Peter, you would say, Estoy buscando a Pedro. Estoy buscando a Pedro. Estoy buscando a Pedro. Estoy buscando a Pedro. Siguiente, next one. I'm looking for a job. Estoy buscando trabajo. Estoy buscando trabajo. Estoy buscando trabajo. I'm looking for a job. Can you say it after me? Estoy buscando trabajo. I'm looking for my keys. Estoy buscando mis llaves. Mis llaves means my keys. Estoy buscando mis llaves. One more time. Estoy buscando mis llaves. Repeat after me. Estoy buscando mis llaves. Now, this one is very important. I think we all lost our mobile phones at one time or another. I'm looking for my phone. Estoy buscando mi teléfono. Estoy buscando mi teléfono. Estoy buscando mi teléfono. Estoy buscando mi teléfono. I'm looking for an address. Estoy buscando una dirección. Una dirección means an address. Estoy buscando una dirección. Estoy buscando una dirección. Don't forget that repetition is key when it comes to learning new languages. Now, if you want to say, I'm just looking for a toilet, you would say, estoy buscando un baño. Un baño means a toilet. Estoy buscando un baño. One more time. Estoy buscando un baño. Please make sure that you repeat out loud. This is extremely important for you to remember these phrases. I'm looking for. Estoy buscando. Estoy buscando. I'm looking for. Estoy buscando. Estoy means am. Buscando, looking for. Estoy buscando. Get ready for an exhilarating leap into Spanish listening. Today's session is all about mastering listening skills that will elevate your Spanish to new heights. Prepare your ears for the captivating sounds of the Spanish language. And if your goal is to embark on a remarkable language learning adventure, you've found your destination. Click that subscribe button and become part of our vibrant community of enthusiastic language learners. Okay, here we go. Muy bien, amigos. The time has come now for us to practicing our Spanish listening skills. Are you ready? At the count of 3, we'll start talking in Spanish. If you are advanced, you will love this exercise. And if you're not, you will also benefit from it because it will help you tuning your listening skills. Okay, aquí vamos. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bueno, hoy día voy a hablar un poquito sobre el buscar algo o buscar a alguien. Esta es una frase bastante importante, especialmente si tú viajas y visitas un país de habla hispana. Por ejemplo, si tú visitas España, tal vez quieras ver al Real Madrid jugar y puedes preguntar o puedes decir, estoy buscando el estadio. Estoy buscando la estación del metro. Estoy buscando una dirección. Esta frase es muy poderosa porque te puede ayudar y guiarte en tus aventuras en el extranjero. Yo estoy buscando a Juan o estoy buscando un amigo, estoy buscando una librería, estoy buscando un baño, estoy buscando un amigo. Esta frase se puede utilizar en un sinfín de formas diferentes. Me atrevería a decir que es una de las frases más importantes en cualquier idioma, ya que te puede ayudar de muchas formas. Yo estoy buscando estudiantes que estén interesados en aprender el idioma español. Yo estoy buscando personas que estén determinadas a adquirir el vocabulario necesario para poder expresarse en español. Si tú eres una de esas personas, muy bien, te felicito. Y te invito a suscribirte. Aprieta el botón que dice suscríbete y únete a nosotros. Yo estoy buscando a personas como tú para ayudarlas en esta gran aventura del aprendizaje del idioma español. Okay, my amigos, I hope you were able to understand most of it. Now, don't despair because very soon YouTube will be releasing a new feature and everything will be actually translated in your language, regardless of what language you speak. For example, I know I do have a few people that view my videos even from India. So in the near future, I expect to translate my videos in Hindi. So you can learn Spanish directly and also listening to the instructions in the Hindi language, in Russian, in German, in Japanese, in Chinese, you name it. So I'm looking forward to that new feature that YouTube will be implementing in the near future. By the way, if this is your first time that you visit my channel, I encourage you to subscribe. You also make it possible for me to continue producing more videos for you. Leave in the comments and tell me what type of lessons you would like me to produce for you or if there's any specific area of the Spanish that you need help with. Okay, amigos, it's been a pleasure. Click that button, subscribe, and I'll see you very pronto, muy soon. Chao, chao. Cuídate.